are now at the third edition of the Solar and Electric Challenge of the Yacht Club in Monaco. There are every year more and more applicants, more and more enthusiastic young future engineers are really coming. It is important and also is growing as an event. Solar and Electric Challenge is a race for boats that are basically moved only by the energy that is coming from the sun or from some electricity that is being stored on board. It's open to university, try to promote at the same time an eco-responsible propulsion on the sea.
Solar boats and all solar energy is the future of power in general, and it starts with implementing it in simple ideas. And we already know boats, we already know various means of transport, but manufacturing into the water transport and transferring this kind of technology there brings a future for the whole transportation.